Hey everybody, it's MJD Runner 5711, and I just wanted to update you about what's going on in my house right now. Right now, it is hailing outside. I don't know if you can see that or hear that, but yeah, I'll get a closer look. Okay, so we're outside right now, and I don't know if you can see it, but look at my dad's car. Like, you can see like things popping off and hitting the floor. Like, it's getting pretty beat up. So yeah, it's getting harder now. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Do you guys hear that? Oh my gosh. There's like hail everywhere. Holy. Oh my. Whoa! Whoa! Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm going inside right now. Okay, this is our deck right now. Look how much like hail and stuff there is on it. Can you guys see that? Really?
I hope my car